This is Jaideep, and thank you so much for showing your interest into Gurukul Academy School Management System. Here in this video, I'm going to show you like how to set up and install the system onto the local host, and the same procedure is applied while installing the system onto the live server. So please do follow the steps correctly to install the system perfectly. Okay, so first of all, we'll move to the folder where we have downloaded this zip file, and you need to do is extract this zip file here, and you will be seeing a folder is extracted. Inside that folder there are three main folders by name database, documentation, and PHP code. Okay, so the first step we'll be doing is importing the database, creating a database and importing the database. Okay, here for the demonstration purpose I'm creating a database called demo. You can create your desired, like you can give your desired name, and next step you are supposed to import the database. You can see the SQL file into the database folder by name gurukul.sql. So just open that, import that, go. Yes friends, now the tables have been imported successfully. Now you can navigate to the database. You can see 11 tables have been imported over here. Now next step is that now we are supposed to create this project onto your local host machine. Just move to XAMPP htdocs and create any name you want. Here I have created a folder called demo, and in this folder I'm going to install this school management system. So here move to PHP code folder, select all the files, copy it and paste it here. Okay, the files have been pasted successfully. So this is not done. Simply next step you need to do is just perform the database configuration here in this PHP code, so that the database and PHP code is connected. Okay, move to admin folder, class, and you can see there are two files, connection.php and root.php. All you need to do is simply just make changes into these two files. That's all. Once you make changes into these two files, okay, view the database credentials here, localhost. One second. Okay, username is root, password is blank in localhost. Generally it will be blank. When uploading it to the server, you have to give a proper username and password which you have created. Okay, the same thing is supposed to be done in root.php file. User is root, database password is generally blank in the localhost, and something else on the live server. Okay, the host is localhost, and yeah, next thing is the demo domain URL. Okay, so the domain URL here will be localhost demo. Okay, so sorry, so this is our demo URL, domain URL, sorry. So just change this domain URL here, include.php as well as in connection.php. Okay, now just hit enter and you can see the system has been installed successfully. Okay, so this is how we can install the system onto localhost or live server. Now simply log into this. Yes, we can successfully logged in. That means the database has been connected. Okay, so this is the simple procedure to install and run a Gurukul Academy School Management System. Friends, if you have got any doubt, please go through the documentation which I have provided along with the code in documentation folder. Okay, and still if you are not able to clarify your doubts, and if you have got doubts regarding the system or you're not able to install it onto your system, please do contact onto our registered email